Okay, 6S on the B8ER, this time with glued tyres. Although I did make the mistake of not bringing any spares, so if they come off again, we'll have to leave it to another time to run it. Fair to say, I don't think I've gone past half throttle yet. Seems to, yeah, this is not where the car is at home in this type of terrain, unless the grass is really short. Whoa, really? Unless the grass is really short, this buggy is going to struggle a little bit. Very much like the 4S running video, it wasn't until I took it on the jumps that I realised just how nice it is to drive this car. But around here, yeah, it's just a dust making machine, really. Now you wouldn't believe it, but one of the tyres has already come unglued, and I remembered that I actually I brought a bottle of glue, tyre glue. So thankfully I managed to fix it. It's no longer coming off, but lucky I caught it before things really got bad and I shredded one of the tires. That's the thing, you gotta, when you're driving your cars, keep an ear out. Oh, hang on, have I got another one that's come loose? I think I just saw. I've glued one and now the other one's come loose. This was the one that I glued, and I think I just saw this one. Oh, flies. Oh, no, yeah, it's on the inside. There you go, look at that. Got to go back to I'm just going to bring the glue bottle and keep it in my pocket, which is not a great idea because I could glue my pants to my skin. But yeah, I got to fix it again. So all 4 tyres on this car, every single one has come unglued, and both on the outside and the inside. Team Magic, you got to do better. You got an awesome car here, but gluing or not gluing the tyres properly, that's a big no-no in today's standards. You got to do better on that. Either don't glue the tyres on and let the end user sort that out, or do a proper job, because this is not good. All right, third time is a charm. I just know it. It has to be. Lucky I bought that glue. Otherwise this would have been one of the shortest runs. I'm barely going full throttle here. Like it's a little bit too much power. At least the way it's geared anyway for 6S. 4S is really where it's at. If anything, go up a tooth or two I should say. On 4S and you have yourself a winner, because this thing oh, are you okay? All right, no, it's good, it's good. Has that tendency to lean to the left. I don't know why. It was doing it on the last run as well. I mean, sure, it's got a heavy battery in there, maybe that's what the problem is. All right, we can only do so much in these little jumps. Let's do the big one, because that's what we're here for. The annoying thing with this car at the moment, with the tyres coming loose, is that the tyres are actually good. Oh my god, if the tyres were no good, any normal person would just go, oh screw it, I'll just replace the tyres and I'll be, it'd be sweet, it'd be fine. But the annoying thing is that the tyres are good. I want to use the tyres. Oh, why is it leaning so bad to the side? There's an imbalance with this car, which is a bit of a shame. Jeez. But I'll tell you what, it handles so well. It drives so nice. Jesus! Oh my god! Oh my god, are you okay? How is this thing still in one piece? We're good, we're good. Tires are holding on. Car is holding on. Good lord, I need a lighter battery, I think. I've got a 5200 Ioniq in there. I probably should just be running like a 4500, and this is a soft case, but I probably should be running like a 4500, maybe even a 3300. You know, just a short 6S pack. Don't need huge run times, because let's face it, the longer you run this on 6S, the worse it is for the average RC. Oh my god, the flies are everywhere, they're in my eyes. So having a short stint of 6S, probably not a bad thing. Keep the car lighter on that side. It might actually balance it better, but yeah, 5200. Jesus Christ. Oh! Amazingly, it's landing on its feet after it does that. This can't be good. How is it not broken yet? Really? I'm amazed. I'm seriously amazed. I thought I would have snapped a wheel or something by now. Alright, what I'm gonna, because the thing is, the wind, there's a massive amount of headwind. So it's not helping us here. Let's go on the big jump. Let's go with some tailwind, and let's see what happens. So, can this car take a hit? Yes. I think the answer we're looking for there is yes. I can't see it. Oh, it's right side up again. Okay, I think I need more speed to clear that double. Otherwise I'll find myself in trouble. Here we go. Oh, for the first time it's upside down. We're all good? Ready to go again. This car has taken some of the worst abuse. It's one of the nicest cars, and yet I'm mistreating it like it owes me money. Here we go. Holy smokes. Oh, is it okay? It's got a stick stuck in here. It's got some grass and stuff in there. It's got a leaf in here. But aside from that, it's one of the toughest cars I think I've tested on this track. Especially for a buggy. Are you joking? This thing's insane. This car's awesome. Stay upright, yes. It even did a wheelie just then. That's sick. Oh. Look at it fly. Just. Oh. This car's nuts. Is this not the best buggy? This has to go down as one of the best buggies that I've ever ran on the channel. 100%. This car is just on another level. Not only does it handle so well, it drives so well, but it takes it freaking speeding and flies through the air like it's got an identity crisis, like it's supposed to be an aeroplane or something. This thing is unbelievable. Well done, Team Magic. Fix the tyres, but well done, Team Magic. This is without a doubt. I didn't even have to... Oh! Something's come loose. Something's come loose. I've got no throttle. I've got steering but no throttle. I reckon one of the wires has come off on the motor. I reckon that's all it is. I'm hoping that's all it is, because man alive, this thing. Let's have a look. Let's see. Wait. Okay. Zoom out a bit. Is it just a wire that's come loose or something, or what's happened? What has happened? Or is it? Oh, no, I think I may have lost my pinion. No, it's not that. The pinion's there. The motor has pulled away. So, oh, hang on. There's more to this. This whole section is loose. So I need to fix that. I've got a couple of screws backing out. Oh no! Is that missing screws there? No, they're not. They don't belong there. So that there's no screws supposed to be there. But yeah, no, I've got a loose motor mount. My motor's very hot, so I think we might end it here, because this is probably a bit much for this car, or at least for this power system. Man, what a car! What can I say? You can't wipe this smile off my face. You just can't. I love this thing. Just needs a couple of screws to be tightened up. I need to let the thing cool down a little bit. Run a lighter pack. Don't worry about running 5000s, and you'll be sweet. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoy it. Give it a thumbs up if you did. Subscribe if you're new, and I will speak to you all next time.